Summer 2025, a season of extremes. AccWeather's forecast for summer 2025 predicts a season of extremes. Heat waves will be intense and long-lasting. Droughts will worsen in several regions. The Atlantic hurricane season is expected to be very active. Severe storms will threaten many areas. These weather events have serious implications for human health, agriculture, and infrastructure. Summer 2025 is a stark reminder of our changing climate. Global warming is increasing the frequency and intensity of extreme weather. Heat waves are hotter and last longer. Droughts are more severe. Hurricanes are becoming more powerful. We must take action to address climate change. We also need to adapt to these changes. This means preparing for extreme weather events. It means making our infrastructure more resilient. It also means taking steps to protect public health. This summer serves as a wake-up call. Heat waves and drought. A scorching reality. Heat waves are a major concern for summer 2025. Much of the United States will experience above-average temperatures. The central and western regions will be hit the hardest. The Pacific Northwest and Northern Rockies can expect temperatures 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit above normal. India and Pakistan will face an early and intense heat wave starting in April. These heat waves will exacerbate drought conditions. This is especially worrisome for major farming areas. Drought leads to crop failure and water shortages. It also increases the risk of wildfires. The combination of heat and drought poses significant risks to human health. Heat stroke and dehydration are serious concerns. Stormy weather ahead, hurricanes and severe storms. The Atlantic hurricane season is predicted to be very active. Forecasters anticipate 13 to 18 named storms. Of those, 7 to 10 could become hurricanes. The Gulf Coast, Carolinas and northeastern Caribbean are at increased risk for hurricane impacts. Severe storms are also on the rise. Derechoes, intense windstorms, are expected to be more frequent. June and July will be particularly prone to these events. Western Europe is bracing for a stormy start to the summer. Increased rainfall could lead to flooding. Eastern Europe faces a different challenge, hotter and drier conditions. This raises concerns about water scarcity and its impact on agriculture. Preparing for the new normal, adaptation and resilience. Summer 2025 highlights the urgent need for climate action. We must reduce greenhouse gas emissions to limit the severity of climate change, but we also need to adapt to the changes that are already happening. Preparing for extreme weather is crucial. This includes strengthening buildings and infrastructure to withstand high winds and flooding. We need to improve water management through efficient irrigation and conservation. Public health initiatives should focus on heat-related illness awareness and provide cooling centers for vulnerable populations. Developing and practicing emergency response plans for severe storms and hurricanes is essential. Adapting to climate change is a shared responsibility. Governments, businesses and individuals must all do their part. By working together, we can create a more resilient future.